yeah, you've used this. And it's like, no shit. It's because it's secondhand, dick. As some of you may be aware, I've been selling various gadgetry over the last couple of weeks. I did think about sort of eBay or Gumtree, but it's just such an awful lot of faff. Long story short, I took everything to CEX. Now, CEX, for those that are not aware, maybe they're outside in the US, basically they're a consumer electronics exchange, I believe it means, where you can take stuff and they buy it for cash, or you can get credit to get more gadgetry that other people have bought in, and so on. I chose the cash option because I don't want other people's secondhand tat. My experience with CEX, or CEX, I suppose you could call them, is interesting. And I get why they're being the way they're being, but it's really when they're doing it in front of you, it begins to take the piss, to be honest. Case in point, I bought a valve index and various other things, stuff that's in just absolute pristine condition. I'm a big believer in keeping things as pristine as possible, scratch free and so on. And I always make sure that I do this, and I do this with headsets. Anything valuable, I always make sure that I keep it in as good as condition as possible. Now, the point I'm trying to make here is with the valve index, it's got a cover over the front, hasn't it, that you can remove and put. The idea was that you're going to put some gadgetry or something in the space that's there, but I don't think anyone ever really did that. And then you can remove that sort of plastic cover. Anyway, mine was absolutely perfect, absolutely fine. Now, I didn't have the box, but I did pack it really very well to protect it when I gave it to them. And then when I came again with the box, they downgraded it to a B because even though I had the box, they found loads of scuffing on it. And I said, well, show me where this scuffing is. And basically, they'd just dumped all my stuff in the big sort of container box that I'd given them, where I packed everything nicely and it was all protected. And they'd obviously gone through it and tested it. And instead of putting everything nicely back, they just kind of just dumped it all into a big pile of tech, thousands of pounds worth of tech, in this box, big sort of container I'd given them. And the headset was just sort of all mangled in with lots of power adapters and cables and all sorts. And he sort of said, yeah, just let me take it out. And he sort of drags it out of this box, sort of spaghetti of wires and God knows what else. And then sort of shows me it. And I said, well, that's grease, surely, from where it's been manhandled. So he gets a cloth and goes, and then shows me. And it had all these scuff marks on it. And I sort of looked at him and I said, well, that's been stored in that box like that. And he said, yeah, that's how it came. And it was like, no, really, that's not how it came. Especially when the day before he'd rung me and said, yeah, if I have the box, they'll give me a grade A price. The way they were storing stuff behind the desk at CEX, and a lot of these CEX stores, except the really big ones, tend to be predominantly quite small, and they tend to have storage, or they tend not to have storage for the stuff that are bought in for sale. What they do is they put it behind them because that's the only protected place they've got. The trouble is, there's just tons. If you saw it when I was there yesterday, there was piles of tech, just piles of it, all in random boxes and piled on top of one another. And I just thought, no wonder. And, and they were banging into it, tripping over it. They were complaining about it and so on. And I just thought, it's no wonder stuff gets damaged and then downgraded, because they're not taking care of where it's being stored. It's just right behind them, and they're just sort of walking over it, tripping over it. There's empty boxes round them. This was the funny thing. When they were going about, it was the Steam Deck, I think, and it was the second time I'd asked, he had said, oh, it's a grade B, and he wouldn't show me. It's like, oh, yeah, this is a grade B, and he was going to put it away. And I said, well, no, show me. Oh, yeah, just if you feel there. and you make it up and pretend there's a scratch there. And it's like, oh, give me a break. Have you had any experiences with selling stuff to CEX or similar stores yourself where they've just been really quite rude and just making up any old excuse to try and lower the price? Let me know your thoughts below and experiences below, because I'm sure it's not just me. Certainly not with CEX, because they're all over Europe and the UK. So, I know they're around and people use them a lot. And let me know your thoughts, good and bad, because most of the time I've had pretty good experiences with CEX. But this last time, perhaps because they're super busy, perhaps, a million things, it just really wasn't a great experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the usual things like clicking the bell. And I'll see you next time.